Cold air, dry heat, stuffy noses. Winter makes snoring worse, but it's not just about the season. We're seeing more kids snoring this time of year, and parents think it will pass. But snoring means the airway is restricted, and it often reveals a problem that's been there all along. At MyoWay Centers for Kids, we help families understand what snoring is really saying about your child's sleep and growth. Snoring isn't just seasonal, it's a signal. Follow us for signs to watch for and book your free consultation today.